Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. Ayan. So, let's see ano yung energies for you ngayong July 2026. This is a general reading. Pwede kayong makarelate. Pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. So, let's see, Aries. What is the energy for you ngayong July? Late na tayo. Okay. Bringing balance into your life. This can be a major decision making na gagawin nyo, no? Can be related sa relationship, business. Ayan. So, nandun kayo sa point na you really want some clarity ngayong July. Also, you are very curious. You want to learn more. You want to expand your knowledge. Maaring isa ito sa ano nyo, pagdidesisyonan ngayong July. Yung mga gusto nyo pang pag-aralan, i-explore. You may be meeting new people, new connections. You have the Hermit, okay? The Hermit is about self-reflection, solitude. Maaring yan yung energy ng iba sa inyo na kayo ay magdidesisyon kaya gusto nyo ng ng katahimikan ng isip. This is also not the time para yung bang magpa-apekto or magpa-impluwensya sa iba. Kasi ikaw ang makakasolve sa problema mo. What is the Hermit? Okay, you have the Emperor. See? Ikaw ang makakasolve sa problema mo. This is your energy, Aries. You already know what to do. Kumbaga, prenteng-prenteng pagkakaupo mo dito sa sa batuhan na may mga bulaklak. So, kumbaga, you have established yourself or already. Ito yung panahon na mas magandang magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. You're doing better than ever. Some of you, mas meron kayong disiplina sa sarili, mas may structure kayo, kaya mas masusunod nyo or magagawa nyo talaga ng maayos yung inyong mga goals ngayong July. Okay, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge for Aries? Okay, oops, ano ba yan? May nalaglag. Okay, ang challenge ninyo, 7 of Wands. This is about setting boundaries. Siyempre, minsan, gusto nyo, go ng go, give ng give. But ngayong July, you need to set your boundaries and protect your energies from people na who wants to take the slice of the pie. Slice ng yung pie. Ibig sabihin, merong pwedeng may mga nosy people, no? Yung parang wanting to know what's going on with your life, or they want you to share whatever success that you have, kahit naman na ikaw lang yung nagpagod dyan at nagpakahirap dyan. I mean, it's okay to share your blessings, but not to the extent na wala ka nang ititira sa sarili mo. Diba? What's the challenge? Yeah, you have the Knight of Swords. So, pwedeng meron ditong misunderstanding, no, with someone na yung bang parang masyadong entitled, no? Feeling entitled sa buhay mo. Na iniisip nila na meron kang responsibilidad sa kanila kahit wala naman. Diba? Now, your opportunity, what is the opportunity for Aries ngayong July? You have the Six of Pentacles, or you have the opportunity to bring balance in your finances. So, I think ito yung kanina na Libra energy. Decision making when it comes to your money, your resources, yung mga properties, ari-arian, kung paano mo maisasaayos ang kaperahan mo, resources mo. Pwede rin merong opportunity na tutulong sa'yo, na merong person or someone that will help you financially kung meron kang kailangan isaayos sa iyong financial. Ayan. You have the Hierophant. This is also about mentorship, learning, no? I think yung curiosity, ano ba yan? Curiosity. Yung curiosity dito is about learning from someone na merong mas may alam or merong may authority over you. So you have the opportunity na uh, may makuhang kaalaman sa isang tao. Some of you naman, kayo yung mag-share ng knowledge nyo, ng skills ninyo sa iba. Now, your blessing is the star. Wow, I love this energy. The star is wish fulfillment. So, mas nagiging seryoso ka ngayon sa mga goals mo. Mas sineset mo siya na mas inspired ka. Di ba minsan nagsiset tayo ng goals natin pero hindi naman tayo inspired? So for some of you Aries, you are going to be very inspired on what you do ngayong July. You have the Nine of Swords. This is about overthinking or minsan sleepless nights, no? As a blessing, kumbaga parang blessing is in disguise siya. Minsan, kailangan nating may mga isipin ng maraming beses bago tayo makapag-settle sa kung ano talaga yung gusto nating i-pursue. So I think for some of you, no, itong ano bang decision making na gagawin ninyo ngayong July, you will be able to think about it thoroughly, no? Maiisip nyo or mapag-iisipan nyo maigi ang lahat-lahat bago kayo makapili or makapag-decide. Let's see, ano pa. For Aries, ngayong July 2026. Alliance, di ba? Partnership. So, you will be partnering with someone na ito yung taong merong alam tungkol sa gusto mo, or this can be your romantic partner, someone na pinagkakatiwalaan mo talaga. Satisfaction. You are going to treat yourself. Pwedeng meron ka ritong certain achievement, no? Oo, ngayong July, na iti-treat mo yung sarili mo dahil nakuha mo yung goal mo na yon, like a wish fulfillment as part of your blessing, 'di ba? Kapag ano kasi meron tayong gustong ma-achieve tapos parang excited tayo doon, hindi tayo makatulog, 'di ba? That's the energy. Also, yan, yung iba sa inyo nagiging restless. You want freedom. Meron kayong gustong iwanan na sitwasyon na feeling nyo stuck na kayo dyan. And ngayong July, magkakaroon ka ng pagkakataon na makaalis sa sitwasyon na yan and to be aligned sa yung destiny, sa yung energy. Kung ano man yung mga gusto mo pang i-pursue in life. Ayan, let's see your final message. Okay, what's the final message? Calm, kalmado lang daw. Sabi, a breakdown is often followed by a breakthrough. Remain calm. Yes. So, minsan may mga challenges tayong pinagdadaanan. Mas maganda na kalmado lang. Kasi, syempre, para mas magkaroon tayo ng kaliwanagan ng isip para makapag-desisyon. Kasi yung breakdown na yan ay magkakaroon din ng breakthrough after. Okay, so that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.